Hello everybody. Whoa, where are we? We're not in the shop. What's going on? Hey, I'm going to show you a little something here. We're out in the shop working all the time, but you want to do something a little special for the wife. You want to make dinner, maybe for the wife, maybe for the whole family, maybe for all your buddies that are going to come over. I don't know. But I'll show you my recipe for hot rod pot roast. Well, you call it whatever you want. I just made that up just now. It's just the way I make my pot roast. Anyway, I start out with 2.5 pounds of a sirloin roast here. And you can see all the ingredients here I got laid out. Super simple, super easy. I start it with Lawry's seasoning salt. Dust it over with it real good. Just like that. Black pepper. I use the fine ground. It seems to soak in a little better. And the magic secret seasoning sauce. Celery salt. Works really good. Brings out the flavor of the meat. So we'll give it a little bit of that. The parsley I put in last. Okay, we'll turn her over and we'll do the same thing on both sides. Just like that. Celery salt. Whoop. Not that side. That side comes out real quick. Little extra on the celery salt. Then we throw her in the good old crock pot here. One thing of beef broth, beef stock, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, organic. It doesn't have to be organic, but I find that this stuff isn't quite as salty. Alright, then you just dump her on into the pot. When I dump it in, I try not to pour it right over the top because it'll kind of washes all the seasoning off. Of course, it splashes on there and it gets around on it. The whole thing, just like that. That makes a good broth for it. And then the number one. What is that? Hussong's Tequila. This stuff works good for everything but drinking. Yeah, I hear it tastes like crap, but we'll give it about a shot of tequila. Pour that in and around. If you're worried about alcohol, you don't want to serve alcohol to kids and everything, don't worry about it. The alcohol, it all comes out. It cooks out of it. What you want is that tequila flavor to work its way into the meat and the alcohol to help break down the fibers in it. Makes it super tender. And this brand of tequila right here is the best I've found for it. And then parsley flakes. Of course, you can use fresh herbs if you want. And just pile her up on there. Okay, we got everything in there. Put the lid on her. Power on low for 8 hours. Set it, forget it. Now I can go back out in the shop. I can work all day long on my car and it don't matter. Supper's almost going to be ready at about 8 o'clock. Then you can always mix it with something, you know, you can make mashed potatoes. All of that broth, you can combine it with a little thickening agent, make gravy out of it. Oh, it makes a wonderful gravy. Boil up some Idaho russets, potatoes, make you some mashed potatoes to go with it, rice, whatever you want to make. Just experiment with it, but you do the side dishes at the very end. Why? Because I got a car to build out there. So I'm going to set this, forget it, and I'm going to go out there and get the metal hot. So I hope this helped you out there, and well, sometimes getting the metal hot is finger licking good. We'll catch you on the next one.